Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. My name's Chris and today we're going to hop on the SnapOn truck. We're going to take a look at servicing my 1946 SnapOn 71-15 and we're going to try to put in an RKR A711 parts kit which would upgrade this to a 32 tooth ratchet because the pawl broke. So let's take a look and see what we can do. So we took the two screws out and dropped the ratchet head out. Now the old ratchet head was a 20 tooth head and the pawl only had a single tooth on it. So we couldn't just easily replace the pawl because the new pawl had 2 teeth per side. So that wasn't going to work. So we'll get out the punch and we'll just knock this out. Perfect. All right, let you do some work on it. So when we looked at the internals of the ratchet here, we can see that there were no burrs or marks or wear that was disturbing. But if we looked at the head of this gear, we can definitely see that there was some well-worn teeth on this, and it just gave out after 60 plus years. So we're definitely not going to warranty this out because this ratchet has sentimental value to me. We're going to upgrade it to the 32 tooth ratchet so we can get it back into service and I can get on with the things that I like to do. So you're using the ball detent tool. Do you have any of those, or can you order me one of those?
I don't have any. I have one.
The one you use?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I think you can order those in for me. I'm gonna want to put that on a list of items to order. And I got a couple other too. You don't mind me coming back and seeing you, do you? Yep, that was the definite thing. I don't think you can get new chromed. Can't get new chrome bottoms of those. A funny story, I bought that ratchet from you yesterday, and I have 3 kids at home, which means I'm gonna have to buy another ratchet from you today so I can get some more screwdrivers and another hat because they were freaking out at the dinner table that I missed my 6-year-old. And I said, well, you should have come with me. He said, school, Dad. So it's coming together really nicely. We're gonna pop in that selector switch, then we'll just get our ball peen hammer out and put a nice little mushroom on it so everything stays together. You've done that before, haven't you?
Once, maybe twice.
Really?
Hundreds.
Okay, hundreds, thousands. How many ratchets do you think you've repaired in your lifetime?
No idea.
Just too many?
Don't even count.
Actually, he doesn't repair a whole lot of them because SnapOn is great. No quality issues. And the only ones he does have to repair are the ones that people abuse. But nobody ever abuses the tools. They always use the right tools for the right job. So keeping this ratchet in my family and being actually over 70 plus years old, that's pretty great to keep this in service. Now, something for me today so I can get another screwdriver for the kids because they love those things. So let's take a look at what my SnapOn Rep was able to do for me. We are going to take this locking flex. We're going to remove the head on it so we can get a quick release on it. Why? Because I want one that's in stock. I want it now. And that's how accommodating your SnapOn Rep can be for you. Now, not everybody's going to do this. You got to have a special relationship with them. Okay, maybe they all do this, I don't know. So guys, let me know down below in the comments if your SnapOn Rep values customer service and would piece together a ratchet for you from another one if it wasn't in stock so they could get you going same day. And see, when you buy a quality ratchet, you can just stick it in that vice grip. Doesn't matter, it's not gonna scuff it up, it's not gonna mar it, you're not gonna have any issues with it. Now it also helps when you have the right vise for servicing your ratchets, and if you also have the jaws flipped around so the serrated marks aren't in direct contact or piercing the chrome. If you can go ahead and tighten up that ratchet, this does have one of those torque bits that you can tighten it up, and has a better swivel and able to tighten that up than some of the Harbor Freight ones. So there you go. There you get your 1/4 inch You get your quick release with your locking flex head. I'm happy. The kids are going to get a free screwdriver. They're going to be happy, all three of them. And then not only that, I get 15% off because this ratchet's in stock. So kudos to my Snap-on guy for hooking me up and letting me have one of these hats, as well as getting me a good deal, or at least what I know to me is a good deal. And as always, guys, work smarter, not harder, and I'll catch you in the next video.